What is up, everybody? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of how to make some beignet. So it came out really nice. It's just a long process and everything. You have to be a bit patient, just separate the good parts with the bad parts and all that stuff. So stick around. If you're new to the page, just subscribe, and you're gonna see my mom's side on the section. You can see the playlist and everything. So stick around. You're gonna see a lot of content coming up. It's very diverse and all that, and I hope you guys enjoy. So see you soon.